Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the teams on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find the different buttons. If you want to check different teams, go to the lower bar, and if you see that, you can find different buttons, the settings, the profile and the others. But when you click to the people's icon, the fort next to the castle, click that, and here you can check the teams, but just if you reach the level 21. But actually I don't have that, so I can't see that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.